Now come to exercise 7.1. See first question. Complete the following statement. So do it in your notebook. And first part A. Two line segments are congruent if, say, the solution A part. Two line segments are congruent if they have same length. If they have same length. Then B part. Among two congruent angles, one has a measure of 70 degree. The measure of the other angle is 70 degree. It is 70 degree. Then C part. When we write angle A equal to angle B, we actually mean measurement of angle A. It is equivalent to measurement of angle B. Now come to question number 2. Give any two real life examples for congruent shapes. See the solution. Here you have to write two real life examples of congruent shapes. First example is two footballs, two footballs. Second example, two teachers table. Now come to question number 3. If triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED under the correspondence, ABC corresponds to FED. Write all the corresponding congruent parts of triangles. Here let us take this triangle as ABC and DEF, or you can say FED. See the solution. Here triangle ABC is congruent to triangle FED. This is given to you. The corresponding congruent parts of the triangle are angle A corresponds to angle F. Second corresponding part, angle B corresponds to angle E. Third part, third congruency part, angle C corresponds to angle D. Then fourth part, line segment AB corresponds to line segment FE. Then fifth part, line segment BC corresponds to line segment ED. And sixth part, line segment AC corresponds to line segment FD. Now come to question number 4. If triangle DEF is congruent to triangle BCA, write the parts of triangle BCA that corresponds to. Say the solution. Here triangle DEF is congruent to triangle BCA. Therefore, first part, it is angle E. The angle E corresponds to, here see the triangle, it is D, E, F and BCA, B, C, A. Here angle E corresponds to angle C. Here say angle D corresponds to angle B. Angle E corresponds to angle C. And angle F corresponds to angle A. Here we have to find out corresponding angle of E. The angle E corresponds to angle C, that is this angle. Now second part, line segment EF. Line segment EF corresponds to, EF is this, so this line corresponds to this line, that is CA. That is CA. The line segment EF corresponds to line segment CA. Then third part, angle F corresponds to, angle F corresponds to angle A. Then fourth part, line segment DF corresponds to DF, that is this line segment corresponds to AB. DF corresponds to BA. Line segment BA. The line segment DF corresponds to line segment BA. That's all for today. Thank you.